Welcome. Today we have Moto G05. I will show you how to remove the FRP Google lock. So we need TSM Tool Pro. Go to the Moto G05, choose remove FRP. Now MTK flash mode, hold the volume down button and connect the USB cable. Wipe done. So let's test the phone. Skip all the configurations.